good help. You know that? So you want to set this one up for salmon too?
Yeah.
All right. You see how you hook the bait?
Okay, yeah. You put it through.
Right in front of the fin there.
Yeah.
Just barely through like that, so it can still swim.
Yay! It's still alive. It's still swimming.
Yep.
And swimming. And swimming.
Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming, right? There we go. Now we'll take this and set it back up here.
I wonder why we don't use worms this time.
You can use worms.
But they're not as good.
Well, it depends on where you're fishing. If you're fishing for brook trout, like down to Keens or something, worms are really good. I don't really use worms here. Maybe that's a mistake I'm making. You want to grab that scoop?
Dogs.
My dogs?
Yeah, the dogs.
Oh, those aren't my dogs, but they are beautiful dogs, aren't they? Really friendly too.
Okay, so that one's for
You want this one for bass or salmon? I got two set up for salmon already.
yeah, the last one was for salmon too.
Yeah. So this one bass. You know what the difference is?
What?
You know how we're using the same trap and we're using everything the same. You know how you target different fish with the same setup?
You put it down in different levels?
Yep. You put the ones you want bass on.
It's a little bit higher?
No, bass are on the bottom. Salmon are on the top, usually. Not always, but that's a general rule. So if you're gonna set up for bass, but here, you might catch a bass, you might catch a pickerel. Yep, those two are yours. There you go, good job. You know what we're gonna do this time? Yep. But you know
Is there anything for setting up for white perch?
Yep, the same tip up that you're gonna catch a bass on is gonna be the tip up you're gonna catch a white perch on also. This time, buddy, you're gonna do it.
Wait, can't you set it up in the middle instead of for salmon and bass? Like set salmon on the top and bass on the bottom. Can you set it up in the middle?
Absolutely, we can do whatever you want.
In the middle, what do you catch?
Well, sometimes you can catch a salmon that's swimming down, they'll see the bait, or sometimes you'll catch a bass or a white perch that looks up.
Middle would be the best because it can catch anything.
Middle can catch anything.
Yeah, this time I want it in the middle.
Do you want to hook the bait yourself? Okay, you hold the hook.
Do I need to take off my gloves?
It might be a good idea to take one off.
I'm gonna take one.
Okay, I'll hold the fish. And you saw where to stick it.
Right above the fin.
Yep, right there. There you go. You want to go a little higher than that, that's fine. But you want to go a little higher than that. Good job for the first time. Now you put it down the hole.
I have the emergency phone right here, but I shouldn't take it out because I might drop it in there. I also have a DS that I accidentally brought.
Oh yeah, you don't want to bring that out. So we're going to give out a little bit of line. And then I want you to take this line and run it through here. Take this line right here.
And then keep undoing it?
No, we already got it out as far as we need to. Just grab that line and run it around this. Now, no, just pull it tight. Now go like that. See how it's inside of there? That's what makes this spin rather than just have it take line. And then we'll set it up right there, okay? So
now can I put my hand in there and get one?
yep. on. Does it feel like there's anything happening there? Nope, there's your bait still there.
Wind flag.
Just a wind flag. So you want to know how to set it back up? You take this flag, yeah, and you put it on that side, yeah, put it on that side. Now see the wind's blowing this way, so you want to turn your trap around so the wind's blowing it on and it won't blow it off, you know what I'm saying? Good job.
Well, you almost got
Maybe next time, right?
Yeah. Okay.